Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. On this channel, we share information related to WordPress, blogging, product tutorials, updates, and other related topics. Now, in our previous video, we discussed all about the Starter Templates 3.0 update, in which we shared that the Brizy templates option has been deprecated. Now, this meant you no longer could find the option to select the Brizy page builder or import the templates using the Starter Templates plugin. Now, this might sound like a bad news for a lot of Brizy users. However, Starter Templates has given us a way using which we can enable this option back up. And in this video, we are going to discuss all about it. Now, by the end of this video, you will find the option to select the Brizy page builder and import the templates. So make sure you follow this video till the very end. Now, in case you want to know more about the Starter Templates 3.0 update, then I have left a link to the video in the description box below and in the I button above. Now, before we dive into this tutorial, let's just talk a bit about the Starter Templates plugin first for all of you who are not familiar with the plugin. Now, Starter Templates is a free plugin by Brainstorm Force, which is the company behind the popular Astra theme. Now, this plugin has over 1 million active installs and is a collection of pre-built designer-made templates for popular page builders like Gutenberg, Elementor, and Beaver Builder. Now, I'm not including Brizy in this list as the option for Brizy has to be activated. This means, when you will install the Starter Templates plugin, you will not find the option for Brizy at first. You will have to activate this option, and then you will see the option to download or import the Brizy templates. So that is the reason why I'm not including it in this option. Now, before we move forward, it is important to know that although the Starter Templates plugin is free to use, however, some of the templates inside are premium, and to use those templates you will have to opt for the Astra's Essential Bundle or above. Now, I'll be talking about the pricing at the very end of this video. However, the links to everything, the templates, the pricing, and the free Starter Templates plugin are in the description box below. Now, some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission when you purchase using our link. Now, keeping this in mind, let me just share the topics that I've covered in this video. Now, I've divided this video into 3 parts, where the first part is the comparison style, where you will be able to see from where the Brizy templates option is missing. The second part is the tutorial, using which you will be able to enable the Brizy page builder option in the Starter Templates plugin. Now, in the third part, I've covered the pricing for in case you want to opt for the premium templates from the Starter Templates plugin. Now, just like every video, the timestamps to everything will be in the description box below, and you can navigate to your favorite sections using those timestamps. And with that said, let me just start sharing the screen. And in the meantime, you make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hello guys, and welcome to the screen capture of this video. Now, before we dive into the actual process, it is important that we take a look at the difference. By difference, I mean, let's just take a look at from where the Brizy templates is missing in the latest version of Starter Templates plugin. Okay, so for this, you can see I have 2 tabs opened in the browser. The first one is the Starter Templates 3.0 that is running the latest version of the plugin, which is the 3.1.6, and the second tab, which is this one. It has the version 2.7.5, which was the version prior to this update. Now, to see this change, let's just go to the Starter Templates library in both the tabs and explore from where the Brizy templates option is missing. So for visiting the Starter Templates library, what we can do is either we can go to appearance and then click Starter Templates over here, or we can directly click the See Library option over here. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click and open this in a new tab. I'm gonna go back to the Starter Templates 3.0 tab. I'm gonna open the Starter Templates library from the appearance menu, which is right over here. Now you can see here that by default Gutenberg is what I have selected, because I did a previous video on this update, which is the Starter Templates 3.0 video. In case you want to know more about this update, then you can check that video out as well. The link to that video will be in the description box below and in the I button above this video. Okay, so with that in mind, let's just click this option over here. This is basically the page builder selection option that they give you. Now you can click this option and you will see the option to select Brizy templates. So let me just click Brizy over here and it will show you all of the templates. Okay, now let's just go to Starter Templates 3.0, and when I click this page builder option, you will see the option for Brizy is missing. Now it is important to know, as mentioned in that video as well, this option is missing because in the Starter Templates 3.0 update, Brizy was deprecated, but there is a way using which you can basically get that option back again. Now if you are a Brizy user and want to enable the Brizy templates option in the Starter Templates, in the latest version of the Starter Templates plugin, then you can basically enable it in just a few steps. Now for this, what you need to do is you need to head over to settings in your WordPress dashboard, which is right over here. You need to click this. It will take you to the general settings. Now in general settings, what you need to do is you need to scroll down to the very bottom until and unless you find this option Starter Templates. Now right in front of it is the option to enable Brizy page builder templates in Starter Templates. What you need to do is you need to select this option and then save the changes. Once the settings is saved, what you need to do is you need to head over to the Starter Templates library and see if the Brizy templates option is enabled. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to head over to Appearance and then click Starter Templates and open it in a new tab. Now again, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this block editor option, this drop down right over here, and now you can see the Brizy option is present right over here. Okay, so let me just select Brizy and you will see the templates. Now in case you want to download these templates or use these templates in your design, then what you can do is you can basically select any one of these templates and then you need to go through its import flow. Now for the import flow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new video for it, how you can basically import templates from Starter Templates on your website and use them easily. So you need to wait for that video. But for right now, this is what you get. Now if you want to use the premium Brizy templates, what you will have to do is you will have to get the essential bundle from Astra. Now before we dive into the pricing of the essential bundle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a small recap of everything that we have discussed in this video till now. And for that, let me just close this tab right over here. Now first things first, the Brizy templates option was deprecated in the Starter Templates plugin version 3.0 and above. Now if you are a Brizy user and want to use the templates from the Starter Templates plugin, then what you need to do is you will have to go to settings in your WordPress dashboard. Doing this will take you to the general settings, and then what you will have to do is you will have to scroll down to the very bottom until you find the Starter Templates option. Now once you find the Starter Templates option, right in front of it will be the option to enable the Brizy page builder templates in Starter Templates. You will have to select this option like this and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, what you need to do is you need to go back to the Starter Templates library, and there you will find the option for Brizy. Now selecting this will show you all of the templates for the Brizy page builder by Starter Templates plugin. Now coming to the pricing of the premium templates by Starter Templates plugin, as mentioned before in this video, you will have to get the essential bundle by Astra, and the essential bundle by Astra is priced at $169 for a year, and the lifetime pricing is $499. Now the growth bundle also comes with the premium Starter Templates, and it is priced at $249 for the year, and for the lifetime you will have to pay $699. Now when it comes to what's included in the essential bundle and the growth bundle, in the essential bundle you get access to Astra Pro theme, 180 plus premium Starter Templates, WP portfolio plugin, choice of one of the page builder add-ons for Elementor or Beaver, product updates, premium support, unlimited website usage, extensive training, risk-free guarantee. And in the growth bundle you get access to everything in the essential bundle basically, and all of the premium plugins that basically Brainstorm Force has. And in addition to that, you get access to the Skilljet Academy membership as well. Now the basic difference between the lifetime and the annual pricing is that lifetime is the basically real unlimited pricing, where you can use these products and themes on unlimited sites without having to worry about paying every year for it. So it's basically a money saver in the long term. If you want to invest in this plugin, then I will suggest you go for the lifetime version if you can. Now links to everything will be in the description box below. Again, some of the links will be affiliate links, which means I'll be making a small commission if you purchase using our links. Now I hope you have found this video helpful and are able to activate the Brizy templates option in the starter templates plugin. Now if you did, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials and the starter templates plugin is in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. In case you have any queries, then feel free to reach out and I will try and help. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.